So I'm here with the lovely Maria from Free Walking Tours Alicante. We've just come from a tour of the Mercado Central. Lovely. And we've come to a local restaurant called Trienta y Tantos, which serves locally sourced food and stuff like that. And whilst we're waiting for our food, we just thought we'd go for a little bit of language.
Yeah, sure.
So how would you say hello?
Hola.
Hola, which I think is a pretty common one, isn't it? A lot of people know to say hola. And how about how are you?
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal? Lovely. And is that that's a more formal way of saying it, is it?
¿Qué tal is more informal.
Informal.
Yeah, when you want to, you'll say ¿Cómo estás?
Yeah.
Like how are you, literally, like
And
¿Cómo estás?
that's more emotional, is it, to say ¿Cómo estás?
Yeah.
Like you're more concerned, whereas in passing you might say ¿Qué tal?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
If something happened to you, you're like, oh, ¿Cómo estás?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, are you okay? Okay. What about, say you're in a shop or something like that, how would you ask, how much does this cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta el agua?
Cool. So it's cuánto cuesta. Cool. Okay, and then you would follow up with what you're asking about, like
the
agua.
water. Yeah.
Okay, cool, lovely. And in a similar kind of vein, how would you ask for the bill if you were in a restaurant or something
La
like
cuenta,
that?
por favor.
La cuenta, por favor.
The
Okay.
international, it also works.
Yeah. We visited Greece recently. They said you can just.
Yeah.
Everyone knows, yeah. And then por favor is please. Yeah.
Please.
So if you say la cuenta, por favor, the bill, please.
Please.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely. And in said same restaurant, how would you ask for a beer?
Una cerveza, por favor.
Una cerveza, por favor. Perfect. I think that's the only sentence I need to know, really. And how about wine?
Una copa de vino.
Una copa de
glass
vino.
of wine.
Glass of wine. Okay. And is there a difference between like red and white?
Yeah, red will be tinto.
Okay.
And white blanco.
Oh, perfect. Okay. And so more of an informal one. How would you ask, where is the beach?
¿Dónde está la playa?
Dónde está la playa? Perfect. So now we know how to get beer, we know how to find the beach.
You have everything you need.
Yeah. Do you have any other sort of favourite phrases or anything like that?
There is a sentence that is used all around Spain that says, it's a little bit complicated for you.
Okay.
It says,
I'll do my best.
para adelante como los de Alicante.
Para adelante, como los Alicante.
Yeah, that was very good.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
That means something like go forward, keep going, as the Alicante people do.
So Alicante, people from Alicante are known for being hardy and hardworking and
It's history. You know, like through history we had a lot of problems, lack of water, lack of food, many wars. So we always kept on
keep going.
And
People from Alicante stayed strong.
Yeah.
Oh, good. And then that phrase is sort of known all over Spain, is it? The people from Alicante are known for being hardy and.
Yeah, and
fantastic.
also it's quite the motto of this city is in Catalan, it's in Valencian, it's not in Spanish, and it says La millor terra del món, which translated to be something like the best land in the world. So we are happy,
I like
but
that.
also proud.
Yeah. So although times were hard, people were like, we still know this is the best land in the world.
Best land in the world.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Do you have any other sort of favourite?
I don't know. There is something that we use. It's more like slang. It's not like.
Oh right, yeah.
Yeah, it's something that we use that, but you go to Madrid or other places, they don't know what it means.
Yeah.
But it's ñas.
Yes.
Ñas. Like
Ñas.
when something is fantastic,
Yeah.
your meal, or they bring something when something looks good, or it's, you're like ñas, like
Yes.
awesome,
Yeah.
something like
Oh,
that.
great,
Like,
yeah.
Great, fantastic, yeah.
But then it's like quite local slang. Like if I was to go to Madrid and say yes, would I get a bit of it?
What are you saying?
Yeah.
No, it's
What does
something
that
we
mean?
use in Alicante region.
Yeah, just like a
Yeah.
regional slang. Oh, brilliant. Right.